How to buy meme token. So this token came under the symbol of coin. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money or some crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created just 1 hour ago and increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning investment in the safe place. This token also trended number 6 in the token section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address. Open your fund to manage for that. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now hit type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, now if that's select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to get access to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and try to switch the slippage from here, as you can see, or custom it, because the most issues came from the slippage, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy coin token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.